Okay. Hello. Okay.
Hey, we still have time. Probably they're still out.
That's it?
They haven't closed yet. They haven't closed yet. Go get a few more.
Nathaniel.
They haven't closed yet.
Nathaniel.
They haven't.
Go get him. Instead of thank you, go get a few more. Also, if you leave now, you can get them.
Hey, let's do batteries.
Ну вот мы 4 июля справляем. Так что все уже или еще будет? Окей, скажите.
Hello.
Ой, пап, я выгляжу ужасно.
Ты прекрасно выглядишь. Твоя сестричка тебя привет передавай.
Моя золотая Кариночка. Целую тебя.
Окей, good. Хорошо, very good. Okay, do we have some more fireworks?
We have monster.
Okay,
We
good.
have a million more.
Very good.
Doesn't mean that we don't have to use all of them, do we?
Well, as many as we can.
That's Nathaniel's philosophy.
Let's do some big ones. Yeah, big ones.
That was a big one.
But first, no, let's do like one of those from that big box. Yeah.
Okay.